Okay guys, so the whole coil I have in here for the factory ones, so we'll remove it from the place. And the first thing we have to do before you change your spark plugs is better to disconnect the negative sides of the battery, like that you have any short, because anytime you work on electrical stuff in the car, don't forget disconnect the negative sides. It's like they keep safe. And after that, we're gonna remove this cover from the sides, both sides. Don't break it. There we go. And how we can see, like up here, this is aftermarket and this is aftermarket. No, this is the factory, both of them. This is the aftermarket ones. Every time they get burned because the Toyota acquired Denso or NGK. If you put a cheap part on the car, always the coil you're gonna start go bad, and you don't want to do that. So this we're gonna change everything, change the spark plugs because it's not the OEM spark plugs. So we're gonna change everything back again to make the car drive back again. Stay with me, guys. So for the parts we need a ratchet with extension and number 10 millimeters to open the coils. And for the spark plugs, we're gonna use number 916 by 16. These only tools can match the for Toyota spark plugs. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna try to remove the coils with number 10. Open one by one, and we gotta disconnect the negative sides, how I said before in the video. So negative sides of the battery, have to remove them. Okay, we're done here. So we're gonna start now removing the coil. Sometimes there is no room, so that's why I have to disconnect them. Okay, disconnect them one by one, don't break them. Use the extension and remove the belt. Pretty easy job. Okay, this is the first one, put it on the sides. Second one. On the sides. Same thing for the third one. There we go. So we gotta remove the first one. Look at that, guys. So it's pretty much this new one is there we go. There we go, the second one. There we go, the third one. Okay, now we're gonna open the first one. Yeah, it's loose, it's not even tight. So we're gonna need a magnet. There we go. So the spark plug actually was an NGK. So so that was good. So now we gotta put the factory is better, so we gotta put one by one. So now we gotta put the factory Denso. Okay. So actually you need 2 extensions to reach the size, because if you don't want to remove this plastic. You lift this plastic up a little bit and you remove it. Then you get the magnets and you get the spark plugs. Should feel. So the spark plugs we need extension. Always use the extension. Like that we can reach it, because with the plastic and the sides you cannot make you reach. So you plug this one first, then you get the second extension to reach it. So we got the second spark plugs. Now we got the second one. Now it's better do one by one, like that you don't forget any ones. Drop it. Drop this one first and drop the second one and lift the plastic and up like that, and tie it by your hand. Okay, and you got the ratchets and tied. And when it's tied, make sure you're not tied all the way. Is like that. It's tied is good and good. So we have to know, gets this one plastic up. There we go. We done the first one. Second one. Now we're gonna go to the third one. Drop this one first. Drop the second one. Then the ratchets. Then the ratchets. Remove the ratchets and remove the spark plugs. Get the plastic up and get it. Get the magnets. There we go. And get the third one. Drop it. Drop the second one. And drop the third one. Tie this by your hand. Got the ratchets. There you go, tight. Get the plastic up and now move this one. So now we put the back ones. Always I prefer using the original parts. It's better the aftermarkets. Here we go, and get the plastic up so you can remove everything, so it's good. Okay guys, so now we prepare the coils, so we're gonna drop one by one. Okay, this is the first one here. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one here. And we connect them one by one. And for this one here guys, until you're this one, until you put the back screw, because there is no room, so we're gonna put screw back. Ratchet with number 10. Let's have it coming inside. Okay, this one is connected. Put this one back to place. Put the crow back.
Clockwise.
Para te jogar dele. Okay, the final one. Okay guys, so all of them is good. Now we put the battery back to the place. Now we put the battery back to the place. Now it's time to start the car. Okay, so all the vibration go away. That's good. Obviously guys, it's a really easy job. Just you can do it by yourself. Just get the right tools and get the parts and you do it by yourself. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Like that we show you more tricks. See you guys.